Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Live streaming again, and this time from Paraguay. NQ is honestly, I was looking for longs in NQ. I was hoping for like mostly a nice liquidity grab of these levels before trying to push higher. I'm not gonna squeeze any trades until I'm not sure. I want to avoid the problems I've done, the mistakes I've done last week. So let's try to improve of not rushing things. I can get one good setup and be done on the day. So right now, what I see is I think we can nicely have a nice grab. I'm looking at this hourly level in NQ. And let me show you firstly why I'm looking at this level. This level is coming from the hour chart. Good morning, Payout. This resistance, this weak resistance here, and right now we're holding, but we didn't grab. I mean, we grabbed these lows previously, but we didn't grab anything in the last 1, 2, 3 candles. So it's gonna be interesting. We might take the hours candle switch. Now looking at it, we can take this hour candle turning and we try to grab these highs. This is possible, and we'll handle it with any closer below. That will be that's going to be an interesting trade. Let me put it. This is the level, and we can go and check it out. Good morning, Muhammad as well. Oh, we've taken already the hour switch there. So already the hour is switching there. Oh my God, why do I this? That's going to be interesting. Morning, everybody. How are you guys? How is going? How is life? Guys, I'm in Paraguay. It's hot. It's nice. Alhamdulillah, it's good. 298.68. So I want to be a little bit more mindful of my trades. That is the hour switch candle, but we still will be really on a resistance. This hour entry hour here. What I will be happy is to see this coming lower, grabbing some levels and coming back above. That would be amazing. Average life. Alhamdulillah, working for good. Yeah, man, we're chilling, and see what really last week was an interesting week for me. Reading was amazing, but execution wise it was horrible. Good morning, Nick. Good morning, Traffics. Yeah, so execution wise last week, not horrible in every day, but horrible on some days, especially on Friday. I messed up on Friday, but we're here alive to trade again. This is the hours. This is the level is the hour turning candle, so it will turn red to green. That means, but we are kind of in a resistance. If I take a trade on this hour switch, then I need to be ready to handle a closure below these, maybe hard stop loss. This will be something like this. To aim for this does not make it sense. No, does not make sense at all. Gross, yeah, NQ looks gross. I see some new accounts. I mean, I passed some new accounts last week, but I'm not trading them. PA is 60. I still have to add the amount. Okay, I'm gonna do that later, guys. I did not add the $40, $80, $120 expense below. I forgot about that. I forgot every day. Okay, so something I have to do today. Something I have to do today, guys. You've been waiting for NQ for a while. I mean, what I see in NQ would be nice if we grab some of these lows that all these lows people buying, trying to go for these highs. Maybe they have the stop loss, just here lower. It'd be nice to grab them again and then coming back above. That'll be amazing. I will be probably the best setup. And market is open. I didn't even notice it. Wow. Okay, market is open. 3:25 a.m. Oh my God, man. 3:25 a.m. 3:20. Here. We grab these lows and we just skyrocket there. That was beautiful low grabbed here. And then especially what I like is that with these previous things that we came lower, we didn't grab the previous. So now we created liquidity above here. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Is it? I think it's my chart is delayed by a lot. Yeah, 5 seconds. 5 seconds delay. A lot of shitty price action here in the last 3-4 hours. Wow, that's a lot of hours of shitty price action. This is the hours candle turn, red to green. That was a possible entry after market open to get acceleration here, but it would have been too aggressive for quick, too much of a risk for me to get this trade. But how much would have been the risk? $307 here to aim for a quick 150, not even half risk reward. Yeah, didn't make sense. So would have been then hold it now. Where is my? There is a chat. The chat just disappeared. Where is the chat? The chat just disappeared. I might start reading London session on Q now and then. Sometimes it's like that. Sometimes you go and you're like, why price action is so clean in other certain time. The beauty of New York, it's that it moves fast, but then it needs faster reaction and very clear control of mindset. But because yeah, that can be a pain if it's not applied correctly. Morning, Mufti. Morning, my friend. The good side of trading in London Asia session, it's slower. It gives you time to think, but it's as well a slow move. Yeah, definitely lower time frame on London and Asia, I think, is the best as well. To move slower, you need a bit bigger candles to just identify proper levels. Let's see what he wants to do. He's trying to, I mean, this Trump situation of providing $2,000 each for everyone, it's skyrocketing the market price. Here we're really nicely pushing there. We grab this previous 15 minutes candle as well, but I still don't understand why my chart does not want to show the price. How can I see the price here? I don't understand what happened here that it does not show it anymore. Like in other charts I have it, but here no. Let me see it. Indicators, crosshair. Disabled. Now I don't have it. And if I do crosshair, current chart, it appears. Indicators, overlay, crosshair. Yeah, crosshair. What the heck? I don't understand. Crosshair, charts, you. I don't know. I have to use I need to use ChatGPT to get my help here. So 5 minutes are closing in 30 seconds, and we're closing with a nice candle, very strong to be honest. The next level in NQ, it's far away. So if we really start to hold, we might look for a possible entry the moment the market forms something interesting for us. Hello, Jimmy. Get open. I'm done for the day. Trying to pass it. Man, 4K at the open. Good luck. Very good job. I mean, if you already made 4K, that's great. Great amount. Freaking great amount. Gold is selling a little bit right now. Would be nice to see gold coming to grab some lows before trying to go higher. That would be amazing in gold. I would be happy to see gold holding, grabbing some lows, and then looking to continue higher. That would be the best. I will look into it if it does happen. But for the moment, I'm not interested in gold because we really just pushed so much in gold. So I will leave it there until something comes out that is interesting. But NQ, wow. Wow, NQ. The idea here was this hour candle turn. Is our candle. Would have been amazing if we grabbed any lows before pushing, using it as a reversal candle. We didn't grab any previous hour. This one did previous, but this one not. So really right now, that's beautiful push there. 174 ticks, 44 points. What is the next level we have here? 64, 644. We have a double top here, a triple top here, you can even say. That was never grabbed. But this is the hour level to check, 650. So good chance we're gonna push until 650 and then find something interesting around that price, or yeah, not sure yet. I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna just wait and identify my best entry later on. Gonna wait. Maybe we create a support, like, you know, some interesting candles here, pulling back a little bit, and then give him an entry. I need only one good trade to be done on the day. I don't need 10 trades. One good trade, and it covers the expense. That's what I need to focus, really. I'm taking too many trades in the last period, so I can just chill for a moment. And take profits, Daniel. And Daniel has been yes, Daniel. And honestly, Daniel, you're totally, especially Friday. I have time anyway to discuss what happened on Friday. Friday was a day where I was not right with everything I was doing in my mindset. So this was not Friday. Friday was here. I had already some losses in gold, and I took this short in NQ, and it was a beautiful short. I even added to the position, and this was the low. I took half profit, and I let the half profit to come back in a loss. Not even break even. I took it to live in a loss. Then what happened? Look at this level that I used as a clear direction if we had to sell. It came low. The funny thing is this one, I was still here in time. Taking full profit here would have been like around the $250 win in this trade, taking full. And then I still had time because this was still 10.5. Come back market, come back again, close below the market. I could still enter here thinking that it wanted to grab even more and lower. Risk it again, closure above or hard stop loss above, and call it. But yeah, just because I handled it bad, then I closed my day, and the market was not there to give me another option. Then go away, running away. Bitcoin enthusiast is going to be a bull run today. Looks like. I think it looks like that. This skyrocket. It took just some little lows here, but nothing special. So really just the people that went a little bit long here got stopped out, but none of these people here. So shutdown ending, yeah. That was what happened. Then I was like, shut down. Let's say close it. I'm not trading the best. I'm trading bad. So I had to close it. It's the right things to do, no matter what. So someone in Instagram is texting me. NQ, gold just grabbed some lows. NQ, I'm gonna wait for it to give me something that makes interesting, that makes sense. Gold just came to these lows. Right now it grabbed them. Where is the next level? I don't have it in every chart. Wait. You have this resistance here. So you can even be aggressive trying to grab this long on a 5-minute chart. And so like 1 almost one-to-one risk reward. But this will be as well going against the higher time frame. We have having all these big red candles, so I'm not gonna go long against big candles. If we see this market in gold coming back above, closing above this area, this will even show that the 30 minutes is turning green. So we're seeing big time frame turning green candles. So these above this level, I'm interested for longs in gold. Below this level, I don't anything else. I don't want to do it. Even short doesn't make sense. This is too bullish. Anything can be a fake out for people to short and then get it stopped out and they squeeze again more. So I'm gonna call myself out of gold if only case we are above the 1492 here. That's the only things I will look. If it does not happen, there is no trades on gold today. Back on NQ, we're just skyrocketing. Next level is 644, 650. I'm happy to take a long if we see something creating there. If not, we just wait. NQ is scary. Market is scary these days, so you have to, especially with this bull run where right now we already did 100 points there. Yeah, NQ is a piece of crap. NQ is a piece of crap. Too early to short, too late, too long. If we don't see setup, let's don't take anything. Look at right now. Let's leave it there. And the market does not go like that. So in the next time, somewhere here is going to happen that we're going to have some pullback. So then it's going to be our time to see a support, a liquidity grab to maybe give us a take along. Until then, just enjoy this market go higher. It does not change our life to wait. But it just change our life if we start to take a trades here. Thinking to go to the next level. Where do we put our stop loss? So we will start to do stupid shit like that. Let's wait until we find, any idea, because it can come here and start to play with this level on the hour chart. Grab some lows, closing above, and then will be a nice continuation above. That will be interesting. Or even if it happens here before. Yeah, I want this 600, will be nice as well. But we're gonna wait and see what evolves. We still have so much time. Only freaking 2 minutes, 5 minutes candle closed. Yeah, more today, right? Vehicle enthusiastic, yeah. Usually I've already taken trades. Yeah, I'm over trading the last period. I mean, I read the chart so well, but I'm just over trading and need to really switch that. Less is better. One trade is good. 2-minute news, yellow folder. Thank you for yachts. That's a good reminder. Let's see what are the news. Yeah. Mohammed, tell me. No, I don't have any. I don't have any news on Monday today. That is at least important for market watch that I use. We have a CPI this week and we have PPI. That's big news. That's big news this week. CPI and PPI. It works for you, happy man, and it should work for me as well, because it's really, man. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Let's go, Mohammed. I do believe limiting yourself on number of trades is such a crucial thing. Limiting yourself on number of trades and time trading as well. I think both are a good limitation. Great, let's go. I'm so happy for you, man. I'm happy when people here may take payouts with discipline actions, man. You learn from me, I learn from you. Because you remind me how that is so important. Let's freaking go, guys. We don't need to rush these trades. We don't need to rush these trades. Two trades a day. That was a beautiful rule. I might have to go back to that, to be honest. 2 trades a day is a beautiful rule, to be honest, to have. Last Friday, how many trades have taken? I believe 1, 2, I believe 4 trades. 4 trades I took. And yeah, I could, no, 3 trades I took 3 trades because 4 was the one I could have taken. Now we're at the resistance level in, oh, look at that. Gold is bouncing nicely, guys. Gold is bouncing right now. This 5 minutes worked out in the end. Up to this level. Interesting, but we're gonna wait to see the next 15 minutes. We still have 13 minutes. I prefer just to wait. Why I prefer to wait? Because of this. 30 minutes, we go to the 30-minute chart. We grab these lows. We close above this level on this 30-minute chart. This gives me a nice entry signal to go long above this level. If it does not, we might even look for a continuation short for this double bottom that was created. Let's see. Let's evaluate when the candles are closed. For the moment, we're gonna wait and decide the moment the candles close. But that's gonna be a nice entry for a long. We're gonna leave it there. We still have 10 minutes. I went from 60 trades or 140 at worst and losing accounts every 2 days. Yeah, man, it's amazing, amazing. 1-2 good trades a day, that's enough. We really, I fell for it in the last period. The idea of taking trades, even if I believe I read the market better, there is no need. There is no need to take all these trades. If one trade is executed properly and done and well done, it makes you $200 or $300, and that's it. You're done. Move to the next day. But when you took 4 trades, all of them are shitty trades, all of them with little profit or bigger loss, then you end up like blowing over and over and over again. Yeah, Lava account will be even more risk management side. That's a good side of prop firms, is that you can have that, instead of have very low percentage of risk, you have 5-10% of risk. For example, I have 10% of risk somehow. Now we're rejecting the hour level. So can you see it, guys? We're rejecting the hour level we had in the chart. Interesting. What we want to do, look at that. See, that was, if we had an entry here to grab these, to get to these highs, yes. But look at this level here, rejecting properly. Now we're gonna evaluate once how the markets wants to evolve, and then we will decide. Right now, gold is rejecting, so we're gonna wait. What the markets wants to do. What the markets wants to do. Some people needs to get stopped out, most probably. Gold, I'm not gonna look for shorts. I'm gonna look for longs if it happens, and that it's still a lot of time. Above this 644.50, we don't have really much. This one, I'm gonna remove it. We don't have really that much up to, what the heck is this? We don't have really that much up to these highs, to be honest, or this area. But even this area is not that sexy as this one. You can see 1, 2. It's quite clear than these weeks and these little ones here. I would say that will be definitely try to come to the 800s here. Thank you rejecting very nicely right now. Oof. So that's what's happening right now for people that are trying to get long, are getting destroyed, and they're crying right now. Look at that. That's how what happens when you. This is when people get trapped. FOMO, it builds FOMO here, it builds FOMO. Oh my God, I'm missing a trade, I'm missing a trade, I'm missing a trade, I'm missing a trade, let me get in. And now, man, I saw your message today. Somehow I missed it 3 days because it was in the other chat of Jose chat. But Tomato, we've been missing you, and I think I tagged you a few times and texted you, but I understand the of taking your personal time by yourself. It's crucial. 439. See you tomorrow. You go for out. I love your idea when you said, "I protect my day more than looking for money." So you've done amazing, man. And really, I've always said about you is that you are an amazing trader. The only things you were missing was mindset. Because for example, between me and you, I had like better discipline, but strategy-wise not amazing. And you had that part, and now you're evolving on that side, and you're making big changes. So you keep going with the discipline. Remember, keep always following your rules, no matter which day it is. You're aiming to have an infinite stake of disciplined days. One day can burn every good days you have done in the last 2 weeks. So it's not acceptable to lose it, even to lose the mindset for one day. So good job, my friend. Good, very good job. Amazing. No, very, very happy. And everyone here that knows you is definitely happy, is feeling good for you, because we know the struggle, my friend. You know that you went through some shit time. And trading is a piece of crap. It's a piece of crap when you're dealing with trading and money and emotions and things around you. Oh, yo, the $3. You're like my brother for $3. Freaking hell. 25.97. Crazy. No, he mostly trade. I mean, he was trading as well live accounts, but he was trading mostly funded accounts. Man, that hurts. I understand that hurts. That is something about prop firms that really triggers you mentally. Is that idea of you need that a certain amount. That certain amount is a piece of crap that we always. I texted my colleague a few days ago, and he told me, "Amsa, I'm so close to payout," and I told him, "Stop. Stop thinking about the payout, and think about tomorrow you execute your trades, and whatever happens, but don't look at the payout, because when you look at that number, you force trades tomorrow. You're gonna force actions that you should not have done." Yeah, definitely. That's a That's a piece of crap, guys, of things that happen in trading. Yeah, I think you get to a certain period where you're sick of yourself, and that is the moment you really change stuff. You get to a period where, like, okay, I'm done with this bullshit. I'm done with doing bullshit. Because it's, in the end, it's about respecting yourself. It's really about respecting yourself. It's holding this 615 and 10 level there. I'm gonna keep it as a level. I'm not gonna trade it yet. I'm just having an idea where right now is trying to find support and where is trying to find rejection. But yeah, and as much as we, and it's something, many times we can advise, we can say do this, don't do this, do this. In the end, it's about work with yourself. Be better with yourself, and nothing else. We can, as you know, a lot of work has to be done internally. And we cannot, yeah, people can mentor you, can advise you, can help you to get these answers from you, but then has to come, everything comes from your own decisions of putting the work. So very good job. It's and this is in everything, guys. This is really in everything about life. You're trying to lose weight, but then you go and you open the fridge and you see a nice Twix sweet, and your brain says, this is not gonna do anything. I'm gonna eat it. I can tell you don't eat it, but it's you that you have to work with your mind and trick your mind of and explore a way of improving by yourself and say, I'm done with this shit. Tweak is hours of work. If I eat these tweaks, it's the last workout was for nothing. The same as right now trading. If I break a rule right now, it means my last days were not for nothing. 3 more minutes, guys. 30 minutes candle is closing, and I'm interested to take longs in gold. I will be. This is unfortunately is skyrocketing. As much as I would love to take longs here in NQ to grab these highs, getting a bit too fast there. I'm gonna leave it there. If it pulls back, might try to give it an entry there. But gold above the level, look, it's looking interesting. Two more minutes. Yeah, that's unfortunately. When we were saying about, I wished we had. Did I do something? Could have taken this trade. I think probably I could have taken this trade, guys. I'm looking at it. I could have, because we held this level where we closed this candle, we wicked, we come back above, we closed above. Right now we came back and we returned this candle. It was a good quick trade there. $64. This low was a stop loss. Any closure below is a stop loss. Yeah, there was a quick good trade. It's okay. Let's go and see gold. Gold. Yeah, see you, tomato. Enjoy your time. That's the beauty of it. Trade and go away. Trade to live the life. Don't live to trade. That's an important thing we have to remind ourselves. We're not here to spend time in these charts. If we can do our work and get the fuck out of here, do it. As much as I love you being here, guys, and watching my live stream, if you can go away when you're done trading, do it. Really do it. Everything that can help you to don't get mental triggers and I'm missing this move, I should have stayed here. No, fuck off. That's like, for example, I could have done better in this trade. That was what I was waiting for. But unfortunately, it just came too fast. Too fast. Gold. Let's see gold, guys. Will be interesting to see. 30 minutes is closing right now. That's an interesting candle in gold. Oh, okay. I wished we closed above this level, but we're not. This looks like more a short right now. This now looks like a short. We reject this level, we grab these highs, and it might come back to grab these lows before trying to go even higher. Gonna leave it there, guys. I had this level on my hand. Right now it's going, but I cannot do anything much. I'm gonna leave it there. Gonna stop watching it. Move back to NQ and see what we wants to do. Again, rejecting the level. Hopefully I make bank. Hopefully I trade. I don't overtrade. Right now that gold is leaving a little bit us, but was not sustainable for me to take. Look at this last 5 minutes candle here. Let's go to the 15 minutes chart to see it properly. Closed. Did I put the level a bit too high? This would be maybe the right one. But even with that, we're still, yeah, that was still a good level. And I was still a good level to put it. Reject, support, rejected. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. If the next 5 minutes candle closes strong, maybe I get an entry here, but gonna wait. 30 minutes. I'm gonna leave it there for 3 more minutes. And again, we don't have to force ourselves in trades. What the heck? That's the problem of this. Tradovate is crashing. I hope not, man. What do you mean Tradovate is crashing? Chart won't load. Chart won't load. I need to evaluate what you're saying there, my friend. I need to evaluate what you're saying. Chart won't load. Okay, it does seem all good in my side. Let me open my Tradovate. And this is my testing account. A simulated environment. It's loading. Let's see. It's taking a little bit of time, but it's loading. Yeah, chart is there. I'm gonna take some orders. All good. All good. Yeah, seems all good. Yeah, man, you scared me for a little bit there. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. I'm just joking. Gold. No, I'm just playing, man. Just playing with you. We're nicely closing right now. Nicely pushing. But I'm gonna wait for gold. I'm gonna wait to see this NQ what wants to do. 5 minutes candle closing right now after grabbing these highs. Would be nice to see it come back. How do you trade all funded with one pair? Most of Properties does not allow that. How do you trade all funded with one pair? You can Apex. You can copy trade all your accounts. With the Apex, you can copy trade 20 accounts. I mean, that's the way you can get big payouts with the Apex is just copy trade all of them. I mean, most of the people copy trade even between prop firms. So right now you see this level. That's why right now it's finding a little bit of support, coming back, closing. I wish we can get something more than this, but gold closing nicely here, guys. 5 minutes skyrocketing. What's a nice push here on the 5 minutes chart. I'm looking if I can take a long just as a test. Risking 2 contracts here. Let me see what is the MNQ right now. MNQ just playing with, yeah, MNQ just holding. Now is on that resistance, the 650s. Our stop loss will be definitely below here. Closure stop loss below this support here, 92. I'm long, so as I said, hard stop loss. I'm gonna put it just far away. Closing the 5 minutes candle above. That NQs, you want to just continue pushing higher. There was a nice entry there, but we missed it. We're gonna wait if something else pops out. For the moment, we take this gold long and see what we can grab from it. Maybe we're gonna get destroyed, but taking this retest. Okay, wow, that was a quick switch. Give us a nice push. This was a nice push, and then right now we are long in gold with all the 17 accounts, not every account. With most of the accounts. Come on, push above these 100. Fighting there. Give us this push. Thank you. Give us this push. Thank you, gold, I wanted to say. How are you guys for the rest? Someone of you has questions. Back in Paraguay. Good weather, guys. I need to go today to the gym to subscribe. To register myself. Come on. Can we get a nice push? I mean, long in where? NQ or gold? What are you long? I mean, right now both of them looks. They want to go a bit higher. NQ. Let me see NQ. Let's go back to NQ to see where the heck it is. How is the 5-minute chart doing in NQ? When you see this level, resistance becomes support. Let's see what he wants to do. What is your stop loss, Fayat? I'm looking to see what wants to do gold. Right now, let me put gold. I want to say NQ. If we wants to come back to give me an entry, I would be happy to take an entry later on. Above this level, 632. If it comes back even below 612, I will look for longs. For the moment, it can skyrocket. I'm not in. I'm in peace. 588. Oh, so you are low. Oh, I like that. I like that. I like that as a stop loss. Nice candle here with a wick. We have 2 levels, 1 and 2 right now created. Right now the hour resistance is here. So if we break this hour resistance, you are for a nice run. If we break this hour resistance, you are there for a nice run. So wish you the best, brother. What he wants to do? What he wants to do? Come on, NQ. Gold. Calling. Come on, push. Is 100 are rejecting right now. 691 TP. 691 TP. Welcome back, guys. Please remember, leave a subscribe, like. If you're new to the channel, I work full-time. I trade, and I've been trading for 5 years. I show everything. As the journey of trading is not as most of traders show you online. It's not as simple as you think, as you might think. And if you know already this, then it's the right channel for you to grow. We help each other on reminding ourselves of the right things to do. Not over trading, not over leveraging, risk management. Follow your strategy, follow your setup. We're not here to scream about taking trades. I show what I do just because of transparency. The rest is your own journey and path. Come on, gold. It will be nice to get a nice push. Let's see what is MNQ. MNQ pushing nicely. Okay. Let's see if it wants to close right now. Still on this hour resistance. If we skyrocket and break nice, even as well, gold right now on this 100 is still rejecting knowingly on this 100. If we can get a nice closure above 100, I might even add. If we get a nice closure above 100, it will be nice to add to this position. 15 minutes candle closing in 2 minutes and 50 seconds. So this candle here will close in 2 minutes and 40 seconds right now. And is coming back a little bit. Yeah, the best trade probably was NQ long at 614. That would have been a quick trade, quick and done. But I still like this gold as well. I still like this gold. The 30 minutes was nice. If we can get some 15 minutes closing right now above, would be very, very good. Let's see how it evolves right now. 100. Oh my God. How much am I risking it now with this trade? I'm risking $200, 218. That's very good. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Let's see if it gap in this previous 5 minutes will be the push. NQ still rejecting. 650. NQ still rejecting. Guys, I don't know guys, if you follow me in Instagram, but I put today a stupid reel. It's a funny reel. It's a fun reel. It's a fun reel. Something funny about disciplined trading. I'm gonna share it here. If you have time, just click on it and leave a stupid comment or reaction. Whatever that helps, I appreciate. Like, you can watch it. It's like a 10 seconds video. It's literally a 10-second video. Thank you, Payout. I mean, I think most of you follow me already there. We're a small family here. For 23 seconds, NQ rejecting. Gold as well. Let's see, evaluate what wants to do right now at this level. Is gold deciding to continue longer? 4 seconds, closing right now. NQ rejecting. Let's see what wants to do NQ. No wick here below, as it wants to come back for this no wick candle. Gonna leave it there for the moment. Gold is still fine as a trade. Let's go to NQ. faked out. We are resistance 650. We had it from before. Right now, you see this 632 become resistance, support. Now, right now, it's becoming resistance. So might be this chart wants to get a bit lower. We'll figure it out soon if it wants to do something here. Right now, we're red in gold. I'm gonna go back to gold to show you. Oh my God, what the heck am I doing? Right now, we are red in gold. Can I have like a quick switch count? Would be nice to have a quick switch chart here. In WealthChart we have, I believe in probably in Quant Tower too, like a switch, like 2 buttons here to say NQ and gold, and I just need to click to switch between each others. Would be nice. Right now, still nothing here. Hard stop loss is here very far, still far away from it. What does it want to do? What does it want to do? Go NQ holding that level. Crazy. How is the 50-minute chart in NQ? A lot of wicks above. So right now rejecting is our level. That is kind of playing against this level. It's a bit of a pain. Would be nice if we see it like breaking above and closing above. Then would be nice taking longs there. But right now it's just rejecting it. And we have this level here at 652, 652, 53. That was resistance, support, resistance right now. NQ is coming lower. And gold is still there, not moving. Because my PNL is not moving. As it wants maybe to give us the push. Oh, let's do it. Nice push right now in gold there. Holding the 216. I swear to you, Mohammed, would have been an easier career than trading. Freaking do some stupid dance and be famous instead of being here struggling ourselves with with trading. Absolutely nuts, man. Absolutely nuts. How is this gold? Gold, nice closure though. This 5 minutes, nice closure. Can we now break these freaking 100s? Give us a nice push, man. Thank you as well pushing right now. Thank you longs right now. Still a lot of too much against this resistance. Really a lot. We're closing. If we close above this level, then you have some chance, I'm gonna say. But then you have to play against this resistance at 645.50. But breaking these, oh, that one is getting interesting right now. This will be hard stop loss. Will be like what? 3 contracts. Hard stop loss. 200. 234. Look, a lot of resistance there. Let's see our gold. Let's see our gold trade. Can we get a little bit of a squeeze? And I'll call myself out of this trade. Squeeze me. Come on, squeeze me there. Squeeze me to somewhere here at 202. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna remove one contract. I'm almost done with my session here. I'm gonna remove everything, guys. And because my flatten always does not work in Rithmic, in Quant Tower, I have to flatten from here. Okay. I'm done with the trade. Oh, look at this NQ. Huh. We've taken that little win in gold. I'm fine with it. Go, wow, NQ. What the heck NQ wants? What wants to do NQ? What do you want to do, NQ? Tell me. What do you want to do? You want to squeeze higher? Do you want to hold this level finally? Closing above this level? That will be the signal for longs. But wow, will be really aggressive taking a long here. I mean, yeah, it's Payout. I mean, yeah, just don't be harsh on yourself. If you follow your rules and you got stopped out and you move on, you're good, man. You've done your job. I'm just trying to see if a candle is closing above this level. Yeah, that's the way. Following the rules. What a peaceful moment you have in your head. Like, I've done my job. There's nothing else I need to worry about. I mean, this will be like a kind of break, honestly. If you take this trade, you are really looking to have like a big break. An entry here at this break. Long, of course. Hard stop loss will be somewhere here. And you try to get it for a long trade. Now it's closing. If it gives, that's it. It just went the right way, but then would be very hard to handle it at the same time. If right now it's digging another fake out, but this is the first time it's closing, a candle is closing above on a 5-minute chart. So good chance that this level now is not anymore playing anymore as a resistance, but whatever. The best play for me, I think, in NQ today was this little level, but I would have loved to see maybe another closing candle above, maybe a closing candle below, and then closing above. But even above, this candle was too big right away, skyrocketing, did not give me an opportunity. So I will take the win for today for this quick trade on gold. And I decided myself, let's stop over trading and take every signal. 1-2 trades a day are good enough to make money. $100 a day, how much is that in? Is 2,358 on all my accounts. We bounced a little bit back from last week loss. For the rest, I'm happy. Guys, thank you so much for coming. I hope the live stream was good and it was a good reminder for everyone to execute what you see, follow your rules, and anything else does not matter. Guys, see you tomorrow for the next live stream. Thank you so much for coming here every time. I appreciate each one of you guys. Peace and love. Peace and love.